To buy Trump coin on Crypto.com, you need to create an account and complete the verification process. Start by downloading the Crypto.com app or visiting the Crypto.com website. Click on Sign Up and enter your email address, password, and other required information. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by Crypto.com. Once your account is created, you need to complete the Know Your Customer verification process. This involves uploading a government-issued ID and taking a selfie. The verification process may take a few minutes to complete. After verification, you need to fund your Crypto.com account. You can do this by depositing fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. Click on the Accounts tab and select the currency you want to deposit. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit. Once your account is funded, you can buy Trump coin. Click on the Trade tab and select the Trump coin market. Enter the amount of Trump coin you want to buy and confirm the transaction. You can also set up a recurring buy to invest in Trump coin at regular intervals. It is essential to understand the risks involved in buying cryptocurrencies, including market volatility and security risks. Make sure to only invest what you can afford to lose and keep your account and transactions secure. To keep your account secure, use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your device and browser up to date. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Crypto.com support. In conclusion, buying Trump coin on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that involves creating an account, verifying your identity, funding your account, and placing a buy order. By following these steps and taking necessary security precautions, you can securely buy and manage your Trump coin holdings on Crypto.com.